So today I am going to unbox a 1980s Audiovox AM/FM cassette deck, but it's brand new in the box. I purchased this online on Kijiji from an estate sale liquidator who buys and sells from estates. So I don't know if it's really an unboxing or an archaeological dig, but we're going to unbox it. And the reason I have this is to go in my MGB because it's got the original look with the push button radio station changer, and it's just the two knobs, and it's something perfect for a 1980s MGB because it's a 1980s AM/FM cassette deck at 25 watts per channel. So that's pretty cool. So I also dug up an old Levi's jacket and I attached a few things to it. So bring back the 70s or bring back the 80s, right? And of course, as you know, if you follow my blog, I'm having a Modine Hog Dog 45 BTU heater installed in my garage. So after February 5th, I can get to work with the installation of the carburetors and the installation of the carpet kit. Of course, this radio. I got an extra set of speakers that I want to install with a tiny subwoofer under the seat. And there's a whole lot of other little odds and ends, like a harmonic balancer has to go on. And I got to install on the front lowered bumper stops. I got to cut the bumper stops in the back, and heater throttle, and a heater cable and a throttle cable that I need to install. So yeah, there's a bit of work to do, but there's February, March, so I got 2 months before April comes. And hopefully the car will be on the road with all these new updates, and she should purr like a kitten. Let's get to unboxing this Audiovox AM/FM cassette from 1980. So this is like over 42 years old. Okay, so here we go. Let's have a look at this. Wow. Let's get this out. Packaged perfectly. Check it out, man. By Audiovox. The Indasher 780. Enter a new era of sound. Enter a new era of sound. If they only knew then what we had today. So how does this work? Oh, it is brand new. Check it out. Instructions. All the knobs. Even the cassette. This hasn't been opened. Wow. What I like about this, which is perfect for my MGB, is at first in the pictures I saw just the chrome, but it comes with different dash plates, so I can have chrome, or I suppose I can have black or whatever. And if I open this, you can see wow. It hasn't even been removed. This is still stuck on. This is like change the channel. Remember these? Cassette back here. Wow, it hasn't even been removed from this. So this is brand spanking new. And I guess it's going to look something like this. If I want in the dash with a bunch of stuff on the back, I guess. Oh, look at this. If I want wood, I can have wood. Different color woods. Can you imagine? I don't have a wood dash on my MGB, but if you had a wood dash, you could match it with a wood dash. I can see a black. This has all this plastic on it, so I can remove it and it'll be perfectly clean. And so be it. Look at that. Got everything we need to hook it up. Speakers, the whole bit. So, I think I'm happy with it. Oh, all the hardware installation, different plugs, O-rings, the knobs. Look at this, 1970s knobs. Two little round knobs. Oh, we got different color knob. Oh, there's a middle knob, and yeah, there's different options to the knobs. So yeah, I think I have a little reading to do before I install this, but yeah, I think this will do what we need it to do in my MGB.